Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you barefaced. It is COVID, and I have a Boxy Charm unboxing to do for you. So, I don't know how I'm feeling about Boxy Charm right now. I've been getting it for almost 3 years. In October, it's going to be 3 years since I've been subscribed to Boxy Charm. And in the 3 years, I've never been charged duties for a box, ever. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. And my box came on Friday. Today's Monday the 29th. I'm gonna upload this tomorrow because I want to get it done before the end of the month because it's the June Boxy and I'm just getting it. So this is the Luxe box that I got. Yay! If you're interested in the whole hair situation, I just need to edit that vlog about when I did my hair. But that should be up this week, hopefully. I'm gonna work on it. But yeah, like I said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Shalicia. I do all things beauty and like makeup related and whatnot. And I'm unboxing my June Luxe box for you. It is hella late. Like hella late. Like usually prior to COVID, I get my box by the 20th of the month. It came on Friday, which was like the 26th. So yeah, COVID's really messing with me. But I wanted to share with you the things I got for my June Boxy. Has wrapping in it and whatever. So this month it is Oasis right there. I'm going to tell you the items that I got. So the first thing I see is the Tartist Pro Amazon Clay Palette. This one right here. Why do I feel like I just got this? Did I just get one of these in my last boxes? I can't remember. So this is the Pro palette. Oh, and it's like the eyeshadow palette. So either I recently got a Tarte palette or I picked it as one of my items that I wanted. So this is what it looks like. I really do enjoy Tarte palettes. Super easy to work with. And I like that the rose can be looks and whatnot. And you're going to be able to create going across or vertically, and it has like little shimmer shades, so that's super pretty. I'm really curious. Last month I did get a Tarte item as well, so that's pretty neat. So yeah, that palette retails for $49. And funny story, during the Sephora VIB sale, I almost purchased it. I was like, nah, I'm good. I won't. Next in my box is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. It's the foaming face wash. The packaging is like light pink ombre. I personally have never tried a Kylie product. I was thinking about paying like those import fees, to be honest. But it looks like this. It's like a nice matte finish. This retails for, let me see, $24. It's a foaming face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain a moisture and improve elasticity. So I'll give that a try and put it in rotation. I have so many cleansers from Boxy Charm that I really need to make habit of using, but I'm gonna try it. Next in my box is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. This retails for $55. It's a really nice, clean looking packaging. It comes with a little spatula. Like I said, this retails for $55. It's an enriched sleeping mask to provide full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. It's supposed to soothe irritated, sensitive skin, so that's pretty neat to try. What I'm most excited about in here, because honestly, from the things I could pick, I was like, I don't need any more makeup. But they had a Swole bottle on there, and I was like, yes, it retails for $35. It's 17 ounces. This is what it looks like. I'm super excited. I have a bunch of friends that have these, and I just would never justify spending like $40 on a water bottle that I'd use once and be like, okay, got it. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. I know people that love this bad boy. I have a friend, she has like 2 or 3. supposed to keep your cold drinks cold for 24 hours and hot drinks for 12. I probably wouldn't use a hot drink in that, but bet this is about to come in handy. Seeing I went back to work. Like I said, it's $35. Next in my box is the Bodyography lip pencils, a 2-pack. It is $28. That's what the packaging looks like. They're just like your typical wood pencils. So the shades I have are Pelty, which is a nice nude dish brown, and Rosewood, which is more like a berry tone. And those definitely meet up my alley in the lip colors that I like to wear. And I can't remember, what did I say? Those were $28. Next in my box is a Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 in the color light. Is it really in light? That doesn't make sense. It's $35. Oh yeah, it's actually light. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm probably going to give this to my friend because she's light skinned, or my sister. But my sister's pretty tan right now, so that might not even work for her. But I'll see who I can give this to because, yeah, I can't wear it. But this retails for $35. Kind of sucks that I got like a foundation-esque product, but it was in a light tone, and that's not going to work for me. But it is what it is. Yeah, that's kind of shitty. Then I got a Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. This retails for $24. It's a ultra, extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand. I'm not going to open it because I have so many mascaras on the go, but the packaging is really cute. It's like a matte black with little detail accents to it. And then the last thing in my box is the $1 Billion Brushes Charcoal Brush Set. This retails for $55. It has 5 brushes in here. Let me get them out. So it comes with an eyeshadow brush that looks like so. It comes with a contour brush that looks like so. That'd be a nice contour brush, maybe even like a bronzer brush. It comes with a concealer brush. It's a nice density, could be good for cleaning up your brows, cutting your crease. It comes with a highlighter brush. So this brush, I probably wouldn't use it personally for highlight, like cheekbone highlight or whatever. It's a little small for like under eye, like with concealer, but it would be a nice crease brush right there. And a powder brush, super soft. So that's what it looks like right there. So this is my mini haul, unboxing for Boxy Charm Luxe. It's slightly disappointing, kinda, not like horrible. Like I'm just not gonna be using that tint BB cream because one, it's light, and I'm melanin, and yeah. But yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my Boxy Charm box subscription. We'll see how July goes because if I get charged duties again, I'm not for that. Like I know my duties was only $15, but in 3 years I've never had to pay, and all of a sudden I have to pay. So we'll see because I did order, because Boxy Charm had sent out a credit for $12. So I ordered an add-on for like some facial pads. So I'm assuming that will come in my July box. And if I have to pay duties again, I'm probably going to cancel because, yeah. Let me know what your thoughts were on this month's Boxy Charm box. If you're happy with it. I'm not like upset about it, but I'm not living for. There's some like great pieces in here that I'm gonna definitely rock with. But yeah, that is it for this video. I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye y'all.